Hello, fly babies. Hello, my patrons. Hello, you lions. Today is Tuesday, and I am your FlyLady Kat here today to help you have peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. So today, our 3-layer cake is routines, basic weekly plan, which is free day, and we skip our zone on our free day. So it's only our second day of the week that's a 2-layer cake, Sunday and Tuesday, or whichever day you choose to have as your renew your spirit day and to have as your free day. All right, so today is our free day. That means that we're going to do something for ourselves that is over and above our daily maintenance. It could just be your nails. I definitely am going to do that today. It could be planning a vacation if that makes you happy and it's something that you really want to do and you haven't had time to do that before. It's anything that makes you feel special. It doesn't have to be anything expensive, just something that makes you know that you're caring for yourself over and above your daily maintenance. And daily maintenance is as important as free day, but this is a little different, okay? All right, so let's get started with our routines. This is part of finally loving ourselves. We're going to get up before the family and do our morning routine, which includes making our bed, swishing and swiping. Don't fib to yourself. Let's do it. Brush your teeth, wash your face, moisturize your skin. If you choose to, put on a little makeup, some earrings, some jewelry, some perfume. Fix your hair, put your clothes on, put your pajamas away or in the dirty clothes. Go to the kitchen, empty the dishwasher or the dish rack, make a little coffee or brew a pot of tea, make a little breakfast or get it started, and whatever other little thing you want to do today, little. Then go into the children's area or whomever you care for, make sure they're up, brush their teeth, they make their bed, they wash their face, they wipe out the sink, they put on their clothes, their pajamas get put in the dirty clothes or in their drawer or wherever you have them put them. They come to the kitchen and they eat their breakfast, plus any other little chore that they might have. Okay, little chore, usually involving a pet, but it could be something else. Maybe they need to say their times tables one time, their 7 times tables, some little chore that you want them to do first thing in the morning. Okay, and then inspect what you expect on all of that. Enjoy breakfast with your family, and now we're going to start the day. So you're going to start the day with your loving yourself. Today is Tuesday, so you're loving yourself. Then you're going to think about what you're going to have for dinner, kind of prep that up a little bit, so it'll be super easy today on this free day. And at dinner time, you're going to have dinner and after dinner routine and before bed. Now make sure you're checking your planner twice a day, first thing in the morning and before bed, that you're writing new things down, moving things around. Look, perfectionism definitely does not belong in a planner. I scratch out all the time in mine. Some people choose to write in pencil. I choose to write in pen. I do have a little whiteout pen that if it's really blotchy and bad enough that it's distracting, I will white that out, but not necessary. This is a tool, not a piece of art. This is a tool to help you through your day. Nothing wrong with having a beautiful tool. And if you choose to decorate it, that's your job. I mean, that's your choice. However, remember that that is not your priority. That comes after taking care of your home and yourself. In your free time, you can decorate your beautiful planner, okay? All right, next, 3 clutter checks, 1 after breakfast, 1 after lunch or after the kids come home or after homeschooling or when you get home from work, and then 1 final one before bed. Clutter check yourself and your children. All right, now for working people, here's what you're going to do. When you leave the home, I'm talking about payroll people, or when you go into your office at home, remember you're focused on that. You're free to focus because you've set up your day for that. And know that your morning routines have been done. The next thing you're going to do is think about that basic weekly plan. Have you delegated step 2? Have you delegated step 2? All right, we've got 6 steps. I'm going to say that you do your sheets on the weekend, but we've got vacuuming, dusting, mopping, garbage cans, and what else do we have? Vacuuming, mopping, dusting, garbage cans. There's one more. What am I forgetting? That other one. Oh, wiping the glass. Thank you. Yes, wiping the glass. Those 5 things. So pick one for your child to do, or your teenager, or whomever's at home, and they can get that done. So when you get home, you don't have to do that today, because this is your free day too. All right, you're not going to work on a zone today. You are going to think about dinner. Make it easy on yourself today. Everyone, we are going to do a load of laundry today. The at-home Lions, at-home FlyBabies, at-home patrons, start your laundry first thing in the morning and go through an inch of paper. That is like a microscopic job, right? And then for you payroll Lions, you're going to do the same thing. When you're done working, whether it's driving home or coming up from the basement, go in there and put a load of laundry in, listen for it, put it in the dryer, listen for it, fold it, and put it away. Folding clothes, if you're not making gigantic loads, is about 7 minutes. And an inch of paper, which can happen while the first load is washing, that one load. If you do a load a day, you can get 5 loads done a week. If you have a bigger family, you probably have 9-year-olds and older, they can do theirs on the weekend. Ta-da! All right, that's it for today. Don't forget to check your planner twice, clutter checks 3 times, inspect what you expect. Have a beautiful free day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Mwah. Bye.